The role of colleges in ensuring job placement has become increasingly important, acting as a bridge between academic knowledge and practical application in the professional realm. Colleges play a key role in providing tailored career guidance to students. From the very beginning, they help individuals identify their strengths, weaknesses, and interests. This guidance assists students in choosing the right academic path that aligns with their career goals, increasing the likelihood of successful job placement after graduation. One of the essential tasks of colleges is to equip students with the skills demanded by today's job market. This makes them more appealing to potential employers and enhances their chances of securing a job swiftly. Colleges often collaborate with industry partners to provide internship opportunities for students. This hands-on experience is invaluable for job placement, as employers often seek candidates with a combination of academic knowledge and practical skills gained through internships. Colleges organize networking events connecting students with professionals in their respective fields. Building a robust professional network during college can significantly impact a student's job placement success. Many colleges offer resume-building workshops to help students create resumes highlighting their skills and experiences. A well-crafted resume can make a significant difference in catching the attention of employers and increasing the likelihood of securing job interviews. A strong alumni network can be a valuable asset for recent graduates. Alumni can provide mentorship, share insights about their career journeys, and even offer job referrals. The job market is dynamic, with industries evolving rapidly. This responsiveness to industry trends equips students with the most current knowledge and skills, making them more attractive to employers seeking up-to-date candidates with the latest advancements in their field. By fostering a culture where curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge are celebrated, colleges empower graduates to navigate the unknown and confidently embrace emerging opportunities. The world is constantly in flux, and industries are shaped by technological advancements, global shifts, and changing consumer preferences. Whether through industry-specific certifications, workshops, or partnerships with professionals, colleges allow graduates to update their skill sets continually.